Welcome back. Now we have been through the basic installation process for Mautic. So we're going to follow the link and we're going to click here to start upgrade. Now, unfortunately, this is giving us a page isn't working. So instead, if we resolve straight to the destination or the URL, we're getting another error message that says that the site could be currently offline and it's encountering a problem. So what we're now going to do is we're going to look at the alternative method of being able to install Mautic. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to come inside of our cPanel and we're going to go to Fantastico. Now you may have something like Softaculous or some other software installation program. You can go to that area. We're going to click Fantastico. And we're now going to find Mautic in our list of programs. And we have it, so we're going to click Mautic. And what we're going to do is we're going to click here to install a new copy. We're going to place our Mautic installation in a new directory. And we're going to fill in all of the pertinent information in order to install Mautic. We're then going to click Submit. And we're now going to click Proceed. And we're going to let Fantastico complete the process. Now, after about a 2-minute process, it's discovered that Fantastico will not install Mautic for us at this time. And so you'll note that the installation process for Mautic may not always be straightforward, even though it should be. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a more straightforward process using a paid application called Cindy. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.